Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trailer. First, always confirm your tow vehicle can safely handle the trailer's gross weight, including cargo. Verify that all tires on both your vehicle and the trailer are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure, typically found on a sticker or in the owner's manual. Finally, test all lights, including brake lights, turn signals, and running lights, to ensure they are fully operational before you hit the road. Once your vehicle is ready, carefully back up and align the trailer coupler with the hitch ball. Lower the coupler onto the ball and engage the latch, ensuring it's fully secured. Next, cross the safety chains underneath the coupler and attach them to the tow vehicle's frame, not the bumper. This prevents the tongue from dropping if the hitch fails. Finally, connect the breakaway cable to a separate point on your vehicle. Proper weight distribution is crucial for safe towing. Load your trailer so that about 10 to 15% of its total weight rests on the hitch ball, known as tongue weight. This helps prevent sway and improves handling. Place heavier items low and over the trailer's axle. For larger trailers, consider using a weight distribution hitch, which helps level your tow vehicle and trailer, distributing the load more evenly across all axles. Before you start your journey, perform a final walk-around inspection. Confirm the coupler is locked, safety chains are secure, and the electrical connection is firm. Adjust your side mirrors to provide a clear view along both sides of the trailer, minimizing blind spots. Begin driving slowly, especially when making turns, and practice in a low-traffic area to get a feel for the trailer's length and turning radius. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.